So a lot of people are interested to know whether genes can make you fat, and does genes actually determine your figure? And if so, how to fight that? I get asked this question a lot ever since I joined Circle DNA, which is a genetic testing company. And the truth is that yes, genes do play an influence in our body figure. So there have been studies that have shown that even for twins that were separated since birth and grew up in completely different environments and lifestyles, they would still have very similar BMI and their body figure would closely resemble each other. And that is because of the common genes that they share. So we know that from science, a lot of genes would determine and influence our risk for obesity, how we metabolize different nutrients, and also the effectiveness of different exercises for our body type. But the good news is that genes doesn't equal to the outcome. So we know that your genetic predisposition plus your environment will actually determine your ultimate outcome. So for example, even if you inherited Beethoven's genes for musical talent, but let's say you don't have access to a piano, then chances are you're probably not going to become a musician, right? So that's the same thing with obesity and with health. Even though you're at a higher risk for obesity and for being fat genetically, that doesn't mean you have to be like that in the actual scenario. So there are still a lot of science that has proved with the right lifestyle choices in your diet and your exercise, you can still achieve and maintain a healthy weight no matter what your genes are. So my advice is to really focus on what you can control in your lifestyle, and if you want more precision and personalization in your diet and exercise regimen, then I also strongly recommend you to invest into a DNA test and get more results that is specific to you.